Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very soft peach makeup look, which is perfect if you're going for that glowy, youthful vibe. So if you're wondering how I got this look, let's get started. For the skin prep, I'm first applying this hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on my dry patches, followed by the Milani Prime Perfection for the rest of my face as I have a normal skin. And to blur and fill in my pores, I'm using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9, and I'm avoiding the areas like my under eye area, forehead, chin and nose, as I'm going to cover it with concealer, and applying too much product can make it look cakey. And to blend it, I'm using a Damn Beauty blender. You can also use a brush if you want more coverage, but I choose a beauty blender because I love that sheer finish on my skin. For highlighting, I'm using the PAC Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude and Beach Sand on my forehead, under eyes, chin and nosy, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. I love how lightweight and creamy this concealer is. It does not cling on to my dry patches and it looks really natural. To give my face some structure and dimension, I am cream contouring with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And to blend it, I am using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. And to blend its edges, I am using a damp sponge. And for my nose, I am using my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. Clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. And to blend the edges, I'm using a Damp Beauty sponge. And to set my concealer, I'm lightly dusting it with New York Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. To bring back some warmth to my face, I'll be applying some bronzer, and this will go right on top of my contour. This one's Hoola bronzer, and I'm applying this with my angled flat brush. To bring some flush of color to my cheeks, I'm using this coral shade from Sivana Colors palette, and I'm first depositing it with my angled brush, and then I'm blending it with my powder brush by Real Techniques. For highlighter, I am going with the shade Moonstone from Sun-Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics, and applying this on the highest points of my cheeks and the bridge and tip of my nose using my highlighting brush. For my brows, I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I'll first use this spoolie to brush my hair downwards so I can clearly see on top and fill it in, and then I'll brush my hair upwards and I'll fill in the lower part of my brows, and then at the very end I'll use this spoolie one more time to spread the color across evenly so it looks more natural. I'm first warming up my crease with this nude brownish shade from Nika K Watermelon Splash Eyeshadow Palette using my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. Although this shade looks brown in the palette, but when you blend it, it turns out to have a very orangish undertones with a hint of brown. To deepen my crease line, I'm picking up this Fanta orange shade from Nika K Watermelon Splash Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm depositing it with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending it with my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For my lid, I'm picking up this peachy gold sort of a shade, a Shady Shoals from Nautical Nonsense palette on my flat brush from ABH Cosmetics, and I'm kneading out the edges with my flat short shader brush. I'm deepening up my outer corners with the same orange shade from Nika K Watermelon Splash Eyeshadow Palette with my pack brush in the style 126. I'm blending out the edges of my shimmery shade with my pack brush in the style 126. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using the shade Mayonnaise from Nautical Nonsense palette with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. Here I'm just blending out the harsh edges with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. For my lower lash line, I'm smoking out both the Fanta orange and the nude brownish shade from Nika K Watermelon Splash Eyeshadow Palette with my pack brush in the style 126. For my waterline, I'm using this white liner by Flowermore. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for lipstick, I'm applying this shade Tease from Faces Canada. This is a nude peachish shade, and for gloss I'm using the Baby Lips Winter Flush in the shade Strawberry Crush by Maybelline. And to set and seal everything in place, I'll be using a setting spray, and this one is by PAC. And for falsies, I'm using my favorite MAC lashes in the style 07. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with an orange sleeveless top and some hoop earrings. I love how casual, effortless and youthful this look is. So let me know in the comment section what do you guys think, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.